A very good morning to you all children. I hope you are safe and fine at home. In the last video session children, we have seen about my day. Okay, that means we related like my day to story structure, beginning, middle and end. Also we have studied high frequency words. There were 6 new high frequency words, and also you have seen how to look, say, write, and also how to just cover it and write it. Okay, we have seen these 2 worksheets. So today we are going to learn about blends. Okay, that what are blends? Blends are nothing but mixing of 2 consonant sounds or 2 consonant alphabets which make one sound. Like for example, b, okay, b gives the sound of b, and l that gives l, blur, okay, blur. So this is nothing but we are going to study BL, FL and CL blends today. Okay, like blur, flur and slur. Sorry, clur. Okay, blur, flur and clur. Okay children, so blends are nothing but mixing of 2 consonant alphabets. Now you will ask me what is consonant. Okay, now you are having alphabets from A to Z, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so these are your English alphabets. Okay, now there are 5 vowels in that. Okay, those are A, E, I, O and U. So these are nothing but vowels. These are nothing but vowels. Okay, these 5 are vowels, and other than this which are left in the alphabets are called consonant sounds, or you can say alphabets or letters. Okay, when we combine this consonant letters or alphabets together, okay, it gives us one common sound that is called blends. Like for example, BL, BLUE, blue. Okay, then FL, FLEW, flew. Then CLUE, clue. Okay, so these are nothing but we have joined 2 consonant letters and we have made that one sound, and we are going to make words from this. So what we are going to do today children is we are going to study a new lesson today, a new comprehension lesson today, that is Blake and the Boy. And from this lesson what we are going to remove is BL, FL and CL blends. Words which are starting with BL, FL and CL, we are going to underline in the lesson itself. Okay, you are having this book, isn't it? You are having this book. This is your lesson. Whenever you are reading this lesson, okay, whenever you are reading this lesson, what you are going to do is, if you find, okay, words starting with BL, you are going to underline that. Okay, if you find FL, you are going to underline that whole word. Okay, for example here I can show you clipped wings. Okay, CLIPPED, this is actually there in your lesson, so you are going to underline this whole portion. Okay, because this is beginning with CL and the meaning, and this word is nothing but clipped. Okay, this meaning is nothing but, so the word is nothing but clipped. Okay children, so here we start with the lesson. Okay, like Mile 9, Story 1, Blake and the Boy. Everyone are having this. Okay, the story is about the Blake. Okay, you can see here also in the picture. Okay, and there is a boy. It is a very interesting story children. Now let us see. Once there was a black color bird called Blake. Now here Blake also starts with BL. Underline it. Okay, Blake. He was very clever, but he had a clipped wing. He could not fly in the sky like his crow. Friends, he would slip and slam into things. His flock thought he looked amusing. The flock would fly in the clear sky over cliffs and clouds. Blake would sit on the ground by the stream and the flowers. He would see the plains and feel the wind blowing on his face. He wished he could fly like the rest of his flock. One day he saw a boy who was playing flute. "My name is Clive," said the boy. "I am thirsty. Where can I find some water?" he asked Blake. Blake couldn't talk like Clive, so he took a stem in his beak from a plant close by. He drew a map to the flowing river on a wet clay. "I have never seen a bird so clever," said Clive. All of a sudden, Clive flipped his flute and it became a magic wand. "I am a wizard," he said, "and I will mend your clipped wings." Blake glowed with happiness. He thanked Clive and danced merrily. He flew around the block up to the waving flag near Big Clock. Up, up, up and away. He felt he could flap his wings and fly around the globe. Blake and Clive remain friends forever, and the story is written by Tanya Majumdar. Okay, this was children, and I was just reading it for you. Now I will explain it. That once there was a black color boy. Once there was a black color bird. Okay, called Blake. Okay, once there was a bird called Blake, and what was the color of that bird? It was black in color. Okay, and that bird was very intelligent, very clever, but he had clipped wings. You know, birds, you have seen, they have wings. So people, they should not fly high. So what do people do? They cut off their wings, or they clipped their wings. Okay, to reduce their flying. Okay, उन्हें उड़ान उन्हें कम होनी चाहिए, ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं जाने चाहिए. So what do people do? They clip their wings. That means they cut off their wings. Okay, so here Blake was in the same situation. Okay, a person has clipped his wings. Why? Because he should not fly very high. He could not fly in the sky like his crow friends. Now your Blake was a crow. Okay, what bird it was? It was a crow bird. Okay, so here what he used to do, that he used to only look at his friends, that how in the open air, like how in the open sky, they used to fly up high. They go wherever they want to go, and like he used to sit and he used to only watch to his friends, like, oh wow, like how they are flying in the sky. So he used to only wonder his friends flying in the sky. And then he would slip and slam into things. His flock thought he looked amusing. Now his flock means his group. Okay, group of birds is called a flock, of one kind only, like many crow birds. Okay, who were his friends also, you can say. They thought that Blake was amusing. Amusing means, okay, a thing used for entertainment. Okay, for laughing purpose. Okay, then next, the flock would fly in the clear sky over the cliffs. Cliffs means at the edge of the sea. Sea means samudar, matlab edge means at the corner. Okay, corner to the sea. And clouds. Clouds means, you know, that badal jise hum kehte hain. Then Blake would sit on the ground by the stream and the flowers. Now what would Blake do? Okay, when all his friends are, in the sky, they are taking their flies over the cliffs and clouds. Okay, so meanwhile, what Blake used to do? Blake used to sit near the stream. Stream means it is a small narrow river. मतलब छोटी नदी होती है. Blake used to sit beside that. Okay, and the flowers near him. Okay, then what happened? He would see the planes and feel the wind blowing on the face. He would see the aeroplanes also going from there, and also he used to feel that. Okay, and also he used to feel that. He wished he could fly like the rest of his flock. That means he always used to think कि काश मैं मेरे friends की तरह उड़ सकता. Okay, he used to always think about that thing. Then one day he saw a boy who was playing flute. Flute, बांसुरी. Okay, Lord Krishna is always having. You also are aware of that. Okay, one day he saw a boy that was playing flute, मतलब बांसुरी. And my name is Clive. Okay, what was the name of that boy? Clive. Said the boy, I am thirsty. Even whenever you are thirsty, you ask your mama to get water, isn't it? Or else you ask your teacher that can I drink water, isn't it? You ask permission and then you drink it. So even here Clive was searching for water, but he couldn't find it. So where can I find some water? Now here Clive is asking Blake that where can I find some water? I am very thirsty. I want to drink water. He asked Blake, but Blake couldn't talk like Clive. Have you ever seen birds talking? No. So here also it is a similar situation. Blake could not talk, okay, but he was very intelligent. What did he do? He took a stem, main part of the plant, जो बीच में होता है stem. He took that and on a wet clay, मतलब गीली मिट्टी होती है, he drew a map over there. मतलब आप यहाँ से जाओ, okay, फिर आप यहाँ से जाओ, and then you take a left, and then you will find a stream over there, and then you can drink water. So he prepared a map for Clive. So here Clive got very amused, okay, and very surprised also that this crow or this bird is so clever, that this bird is so intelligent. Yes, that even if he is not able to speak, he drew a map to show me that where can I find the water to drink. Okay. Then what did he do? All of a sudden he was just playing his flute, and that he just flipped his flute, okay, flipped it, and that turned into a magic wand. Okay, wand is nothing but like you can see, if you have seen Harry Potter also, you can see a thin rod like or a stick like, they just used to do it like this and finish. Okay, the magic is done. So similarly, the flute was just flipped up like this and it turned into a magic wand. Okay, and who was Clive? Clive was a wizard. That means a person who knows everything about magic, who does magic, जो जादू करता है. Okay, that is called wizard. So what did Clive told? That I am a wizard and I will mend. Mend means repair. Okay, repairing मतलब फिर से जोड़ना, बनाना. Okay, mending. And I will mend your clipped wings. That means his wings were clipped. Okay, it was clipped. And what did Clive told to Blake? That I will mend up. Okay, which wings were your cut up? I will mend it up, repair it up, your wings. So Blake glowed up. That means he was lightening up like anything. That means he was so happy that like he could even fly now. If his wings is mend up, that he can also even fly up high in the sky. And he thanked Clive as well. And he was dancing merrily. Merrily means happily. He flew around the blocks up, that means high up, okay, on the mountains, you can say, on the rocky mountains, you can say. Then to the waving flags you have seen, when there is a wind, flags wave like this, right, left, right, left, right, left, like this. And near the big clock, there must be a big clock also, okay, and there also even Blake wanted to fly there. Up, 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 again up and away. Okay, and then he could flap his wing. Flap means, if you have seen birds, okay, they flap their wings like this, okay, up down up down up down up down like this, and could fly around the globe. Globe means world. Blake and Clive remain friends forever. Okay children, so this is the story of a black color bird, Blake, and a wizard whose name is Clive. Okay, and what are we going to do in this story? While reading it, we are going to underline the words which we are starting with BL, FL and CL. Okay children, so also there is a worksheet over here. Okay, you can turn the page and you can see over here that you can see fill in the blends. Okay, so here they have given pictures also, like you can see there are nails and all, and it is a bird. Okay, then you can see CLAW, claw. You are going to add the blends CL, FL and BL, like claw. Then you can see a black color, BLACK, black, isn't it? Then you can see here float, ball is there, water is there, and it is floating on it. And hint also they have given opposite of sink. Sink means andar jana, doob jana, and opposite of that is float, FLOT, float. So children, meanwhile you just complete this worksheet, and in the interactive section let us discuss about this worksheets and also few more words starting with BL, FL and CL. Okay children, so here we end up with the session. Okay, thank you for listening children. Have a good day. Take care. Take good care of yourselves. Thank you.